I'm Shalini, and in today's video I'm going to show you some quick and easy office hairstyles. Trust me, these hairstyles will help you look put together for a meeting or an official event in absolutely no time. And who doesn't want to save on some time in the morning, right? So let's get started. Overlapping ponytail. Take a parting of your choice. Split two sections of hair on both the sides till the top of the ear. Take it towards the back and secure it with a hair tie. Take sections of hair from right below the ponytail and secure it with a hair tie again. Keep repeating this 5 to 7 times. And that's it, your overlapped ponytail is done. Simple double twist hairstyle. Take a section till the top of the ear on both the sides. Twist it inwards all the way till the back. Secure the right twist at the back. Repeat the same on the left side and secure it under the top twist. And there you have it, your simple twist hairstyle is done. Sleek bun hairstyle. Divide your hair into two parts till the top of the ear on both the sides. Take the rest of it into a low ponytail. Wrap it into a bun. I've added a hair donut to add some volume in my bun because my hair is short. In case your hair is long, you can skip this step. Take the right section of the hair and wrap it towards the left. And the left section towards the right side of the bun. And that's it, you're done. So guys, I hope you all like these office-friendly hairstyles. In case you want me to recreate any specific hairstyles, please leave them in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to BeBeautiful, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!